Hi, welcome to my YouTube channel with another exciting Excel tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create Marksheet in MS Excel. This tutorial video is very important, so complete watch the video and subscribe my channel. So let's start the process. For this, look at my Excel data here. This is the data of students in different subjects. Each subject contains equal total marks as 100. In column 1 there is student's ID and in second column there is student's name here. Next column contain marks of English subject. Next column contain obtained marks of math. Next column contain obtained marks of computer. And the next column contain obtained marks of physics. In total column we have to calculate the total marks out of 400. And in percentage column we have to calculate the percentage of the obtained marks. In grade column we have to calculate grade of the students out of this criteria. Like if percentage score is greater than equal to 80, then it is rewarded as grade A. Like if percentage score is greater than equal to 70, then it is rewarded as grade B. If percentage score is greater than equal to 60, then it is rewarded as grade C. Now start the process here. To calculate the total of marks, write equal sum, open the bracket, select all the marks of particular student and press enter button. Now drag it till the last cell. Remember these marks are rewarded from 400 total. Now to calculate percentage, simply select the obtained marks cell and divide it by 400. See, the percentage has been updated here. Simply drag it and till the end and all the percentages will be updated here. Now to calculate the grades of students, we have to write if formula here. For example, write equal if, open the bracket, select the percentage cell here, greater than equal to 80%, comma, underscore A, underscore, comma, if, open the bracket, greater than equal to 70%, comma, underscore B, comma, if, open the bracket, greater than equal to 60%, comma, in underscore, write C, close the bracket in for 3 times, then press enter button here. Now drag it till the end and all the grades will be updated here. So that's how to create Marksheet in MS Excel. If you have any question regarding the entire process, then tell me in comment section. If this video was helpful for you, then please do subscribe to my channel to get more videos on Excel. Thanks for watching.